So hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to explore a very important topic, that is programming language and their scope. Okay, so if you are thinking, is programming only for the computer student? The answer is no. Today programming is used in business, education, hospital, banking, automation, AI, even farming also. Okay, so learning programming is learning future skill. It's open the doors for job like freelancing, startup, and many more. So let's check whatever the programming language and their scope. Okay, here is the major types of programming language. Okay, before going to learn programming, first of all you can know what is the programming type of language. Okay, programming languages are of different type. Each type is used for different purposes. Okay, first of all, low level language, what C assembly language it is also called. Okay, used to close to hardware, fast and powerful. It is very much fast, and it is the mother of the language we also called. And high level language, Python, Java, easy to understand, used in real application. Scripting language, what are Python, JavaScript, these are the scripting language, and VBScript also. Okay, I not mention, and VBScript also a scripting language used for automation. Nowadays VBScript not rarely used. Okay, so object oriented is Java, C++, also Python helps build big project early. And front end is HTML, CSS, JavaScript. We used to design our web pages. And backend are what? Python, Node.js, Java. It will the backend languages to control the databases. Okay. Next, we can go for the slight comparison of popular languages. So here I sort comparison between every languages. So first of all, C++. This is best for system software or logic based. Okay, this is the hardcore programming language, and it is difficulty level is very hard. Not hard, but the syntax is very really hard. Okay, and it will be the trending is stable. Nowadays the trending is stable. And next is Java is enterprise Android. When you want to develop Android apps or any application, then you go for the Java language, and the difficulty is moderate. Okay, and this the trend is high in being future is also high, and the past Java record is very much high. And then JavaScript is best for web or front end. Okay, JavaScript and VBScript also, but nowadays not used VBScript. And difficulty is easy, and the trend is also high. And the Python, here is the main important language nowadays, Python. Best for AI, ML, data, web. This is everything. Python is a language which is vast number of libraries is there. Okay, easy to implement anything. Whatever you want to implement, you can choose Python is the best popular language. And the difficulties, it is very easy, just like a English language. But the concept, if you once understand it, then you can go for very easily you can solve anything. And the trend is booming, means every day by day the trend of Python is booming. And next we can go for why Python is leading. I focused on Python because of, nowadays all everything are automated. However automated, the language based on the Python, we can use machine learning, AI, artificial intelligence, and agentic AI, generative AI. That's all are automated through the language of Python. Because also know Python and other languages R is also used, but basically most of the people, most of the developer use Python. So our topic why Python is leading. Next slide. Okay, then go for that. So why Python is leading the future? So Python is very simple to learn. Okay, looks like English language. Simple syntax, easy to learn. Huge community support. What is the mean by huge community support? I before you told that it has vast number of libraries are there, which is making mostly easier to write the code efficiently. Okay, and less time consume. Used in AI, ML, data science, web development, everything, web scratching, everything used Python. Okay, and backend by major companies who are the Google, NASA, Netflix, everything use Python. And if you want to grow fast in tech, Python is the smart and safe choice. Okay, so future scope in field, we are know what is Python, why Python, and why it will be leading in the future. Then we can go for the next slide. future scope in field. Okay, so here is these are some the most important demand and high growth demand in today's tech world. Okay, first of all, the this time the most important field is AI ML. Okay, everything are automated through the artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay, in your day to life, everything whatever you seeing the technology that are day by day automated. Okay, so AIML data science, the preferred language is Python. If you know Python, then it will be helpful to learn AIML and data science. Cloud computing and DevOps, it is the second most important field. So the preferred language is Python, Go, Go or Golang, then Java. Blockchain is the third. Blockchain and Web3. Solidity, JavaScript, Python. And web development. Web development, what are the required preferred language? JavaScript and Python also for backend. Okay, app development is Java, Kotlin, Swift. If you want to development app in your Android, then you can prefer Java. If you want to develop application or apps in your means iOS system, means in your iPhone. Okay, then you go for the Kotlin. Okay, cyber security, if you want to learn cyber security, then the preferred language is Python and C. The game development, C++ and C. Okay, so next is IoT or automation. IoT automation is also preferred language is Python. Okay, so next we can go for how to choose a language. Okay, how to choose a language. So how to choose? Don't get confused. Okay, here is so how to choose you the language. First, pick your interest. Okay, pick your interest. Whatever you want to learn, first set your goal. In your future, what can you do? Okay, then choose the interested your domain. Learn one language deeply, not many languages. If you think I can learn many languages, then I can master over it. No, this is not happen. Okay, in your future, if you want to be an AIML or some data scientist, then you could go for Python. If you want to development application, then you go for Java. Like that, set a proper thing or set a proper goal, and to achieve that goal, you can learn any one of the language. Okay, and deeply one of the language the core deeply basic to core concept. Okay, then build some project early. First you can build some learn the basic syntax and the function recursion, anything in the basic. Then you can go for the small project, how you can really apply this code, how really implemented in the project. Then stay updated with the new technology. Okay, keep improving with that daily, day by day you can learn that, then you can choose that language. Then the final thing is your journey starts now. Is small. Start small, stay consistent, build thing you love, the future belong to creator. Okay, so programming is not about being a genius. Okay, it's about practice and patience. Smart, small, be consistent and build real things. Your future is in your hand. Okay, and trust me, you can do it. And I can told you that one things. Next class we can go for the playlist of Python, and we have started the Python full course. Okay, first we can go for the what is Python, then the basic, then the syntax of Python, variables, data types, functions, and loops, recursion, everything we will cover day by day. And I can teach you the full Python journey. After that, I can slightly go for the pandas, matplotlib, and the complete journey we can suffer. That is data science or AIML. Okay, so connect with us. Thank you, and subscribe and like the channel. Okay, thank you.